Blake Shelton won a huge court victory today. He hasn't won the lawsuit against In Touch magazine. Remember, he's suing the magazine for defamation after the magazine said that rehab for Blake and that he hit rock bottom because of what they claimed was alcoholism, severe alcoholism. Blake sued and said it's BS.
I never went to rehab.
And never went to rehab. And In Touch has then filed legal papers, and they said, look, we think that this case should be thrown out because what we were saying was not that he went to rehab. We were suggesting he should go to rehab because he's even joked about his drinking, and the judge just said, no way.
Well, and Harvey, I think that this case, Blake Shelton is really pushing this case to the limit. A lot of times the celebrities sue tabloids, it's like they just want to make a point that it was a false story. But I think this may shake it to its core, that business, because like you said, the headline on the magazine was rehab for Blake. But what they're saying, and now that they've gone through the guys who actually published the magazine, they're saying, well, we didn't say he went to rehab. We're just saying people are talking about it. People have said it to him. So
here's the problem. They left
it's
out
trickery that's used in that business a lot to sell magazines.
They left out something, Mike. They left out the big little thing that they should have put in if that was it, which was a question mark.
I agree, and I think some magazines do put the question mark in, as we've seen before. Some do not, and I think in this case, this judge is saying, hey, you cannot say he went to rehab, and this is the way the judge put it, most people that read that magazine, that headline, would think he went to rehab.
Of course, and by the way,
a reasonable person would think that.
And the worst for In Touch is the judge said that saying somebody went to rehab when they didn't is automatically liable.
They knew that he had not been at the time of the publish.
That's right. That's right. That they knew. They said there were reasons to believe the editors knew that he hadn't gone when they published the article. So this is a big, big win for Blake.
Hey, this is Josh from Grizzly Vision. This topic is going to be tough for me to discuss. My ex-girlfriend is actually in love with Blake, and he was a major factor while we're not together anymore. But that's besides the point. I don't think it was right for In Touch to say that he went to rehab when they weren't sure, or even call him an alcoholic. An alcoholic is when you choose the booze over family, friends, or your job. And like my girlfriend my ex-girlfriend would tell you, he does a damn good job at his job. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do this anymore. I gotta go.
Okay.
I don't really know what just happened.
I'm not buying it.